Hello, dear colleagues. Let's talk about something interesting I got from Jakobi Dental. They produce retractors, mirrors, this demystifier. So this is like a device that has a built-in LED light and a ventilation to remove the fog of the mirror. And they have now a new set of mirrors. They look special. They come in different sizes. And you might be wondering, why should we add the retractors directly to the mirror? And there's a reason. And I want to share with you an article about this. So here you see the article that is published in relation to this new mirror. Cleft Photo Mirror combining self-retraction, scaling, and anti-fogging features for cleft palate documentation. And here's the thing. What are these mirrors really for? They're really specialized for a specialized situation where we are talking. You see here again the kit. And here we go. So we have children that needs to be operated with clefts in the palate. And you see here the difference using a standard mirror. It's almost impossible to do retraction on these patients. And this new designed mirror with the self-retraction part. And also, it has also small marks. You see the small marks we have on top. They are 2 centimeters apart from each other. So you can also measure. You can measure dimensions of the palate. This is really a nice innovation that is available now. You can get it. It comes in these boxes. It was co-developed by Andreas Müller from the University of Basel. A really interesting, very specialized form of dental mirror. If you want to get them, the link is in the description below. Stay tuned for more reviews and content on the YouTube channel and on the Dental Engine as well. See you soon.